As much land as we see on the earth is much less than what is beneath the waters. All these years, archaeologists and historians have found a variety of mysterious artifacts and legendary treasures that have untold myth. There are many unexplained secrets and hair-raising objects found from the depths of the deep ocean. Today we have a list of such 10 objects found under the deep sea that can chill your blood. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. A train wreck. Well, there are not any railway tracks beneath the waters, and what in the world brought this locomotive train here? They have found two such train wrecks just off the coast of the Long Branch in New Jersey. These two train wreckage have made the historians and researchers speechless as they are submerged 90 feet at the bottom of the New Jersey coastline, and they have been lying there for 100 years now. It wasn't until 1985 it was discovered by a scuba diver named Paul Hepler, who found it in the Atlantic Ocean, but still the origin and identity is a mystery. Astonishingly, the machinery used to make these locomotives isn't the regular one but a rare breed used in train yards. There are no records about these locomotives ever being built, and from where did it come? Number 9. The sunken alien. I know none of the humans have seen an actual alien, but this object under the ocean was somewhat similar to how we perceive an alien to be. This object is actually a rusted and waterlogged sculpture of the xenomorph that stars in the horrifying Ridley Scott's Alien franchise. It looks like a little game for the talented sculptors around the globe that how they leave their work of art at the bottom of the sea only to be found by scuba divers. Although thousands of scuba divers have been swimming back and forth the Russian coast just to take a look at this mysteriously incredible piece of art, as its artist and identity is still unknown. What makes us believe that these might have sunken a long time ago is that these sculptures adapt to the ever-changing waters of the sea and succumb to it. Even if the mystery is solved, the sculpture is certainly terrifying. Number 8. The Antikythera mechanism. Certain mysteries of the ancient world can be far more terrifying than we may expect. Take for example the Antikythera mechanism, a rusted object at the bottom of the ocean. Back in 1901, had evidence of a historical shipwreck just off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera. What this object is, though, is far more astonishing than a sunken shipwreck. The Antikythera mechanism appears to be an ancient computer over 2000 years old, believed to have been constructed by ancient Greek scientists as late as 205 BC. For decades following its discovery, researchers and scholars are completely stumped as to how this incredibly complex device functioned. It wasn't until X-ray imaging was conducted on the object in the 1970s that some of its secrets were revealed. Some believe that this ancient computer was designed to track the motion of the stars and the planets of our solar system. Recently, scientists have discovered hidden inscription carved into its design, leading some to believe that similar objects were created alongside of it, which may still be found at the bottom of the ocean. The truth behind the Antikythera mechanism remains to be an unsettling mystery of the ancient world. Number 7. Underwater Stonehenge. The ancient history behind Neolithic Britain's Stonehenge is dazzling enough, but it seems North America has its own mysteries to astound us with. One of them is sunken in the waters of Lake Michigan's Grand Terrace Bay. After searching the Great Lakes for ancient shipwrecks by using the same remote echolocation techniques, archaeologists were uneased by the discovery of a series of stone objects arranged in a freaky, deliberate pattern. Although the pattern resembles the other Stonehenge patterns and several stone circles found around Europe, this big pattern or circular stones is stored up to 1 mile, and scientists have found that one of these stones, a particularly large boulder, held evidence of prehistoric carving, showing a mastodon. Since its discovery in 2007 by Professor Mark Olley, almost no information has been released to the public about it. These mysterious stones and the carvings on them for sure challenges our history. Number 6. The sunken structure. All the long lost cities and sunken tombs have featured heavily in horror fiction, the reality here is potentially far more terrifying. Several years ago, evidence of a gigantic stone monument was discovered at the bottom of the Sea of Galilee in northern Israel. Since then, archaeologists across the planet have been utterly baffled by their design, raising many questions as to who or what created them, as well as their purpose and significance within the long forgotten society. Some believe it to have been constructed by the mythical Nephilim, an ancient race of giants. Others believed it to be a structure used for sacrificial purposes. The mysterious cone-shaped object was discovered over 9 meters beneath the waters by divers. Back in 2003, strangely enough, its stature is staggering with a diameter greater than the length of a Boeing 747 built purely out of basalt rocks. It is twice the size of Stonehenge in England and weighs an estimated 60,000 tons, although scientists are still struggling to establish any more evidence about this mysterious and expansive object. Estimates potentially place the structure as being up to 12,000 years old. Whatever the case, this long sunken structure is evidence its origin may very well change the way we look at the history of our species. Number 5. Old Whitey. While scuba diving, you may wish to see the marine animals or some underwater coral plants, but in case you see a terrifying object like this, you would never want to scuba dive again. The Old Whitey is lying in the murky waters of Lake Superior. The Old Whitey, also known as Grandpa, is a human corpse which is trapped in a sunken ship for nearly a century. The identity of the man is not known, but the corpse is safely preserved from the cool waters. Since the shipwreck of 1920s, believed to have been a crewman of SS Kamloops, Old Whitey was a part of a crew who piloted a freighter ship specifically built to fit through the canal that joined Lake Erie to Lake Ontario. Unfortunately, in 1927, a violent storm shook Lake Superior and the SS Kamloops was tragically sunk, leaving no one alive. When the divers found the sunken ship, the corpse of the Old Whitey floated past them in its sunken corridors. The corpse still remained sunken within the ship wreckage, unable to escape. Number 4. The Baltic Sea Anomaly. Because the fact of the matter remains there is nothing more terrifying than potential evidence of an alien civilization crash landing at the bottom of the ocean bed. Whatever you may believe about the existence of alien life, there is no denying the fact that the Baltic Sea Anomaly is one of the most bizarre deep sea finds of the past decade, and as is the nature of with objects allegedly from a different planet, the debate surrounding it is controversial at best. Back in 2011, a deep sea exploration team named Ocean X found what appeared to be with the unique formation of an unknown material at the bottom of the Baltic Sea, just off the coast of Sweden. Seemingly, this object of unknown origin appeared to be a circular craft and depicted structural evidence of ramps and stairways. Although several of the claims have been debunked since many of the divers responsible for a discovery stand by their claim, this dark and mysterious object of black stone potentially has terrifying implications, with explanations ranging from evidence of alien life to a portal to another dimension or a failed Nazi experiment of World War II. Whatever the case, the mystery continues, and Baltic Sea Anomaly remains to be one of the most terrifying objects ever found in the deep sea. Number 3. The Bimini Road. Divers have swam to the depths of the Atlantic island waters of Bimini and found something way too mysterious than a single object. Researchers, archaeologists, and geologists are quite puzzled by this discovery. This road was found in 1968, and since then the debates and talks are unending as to who and why these artificial roads were created in the bottom of the ocean. The more important question of all is where this road might have led. The hard to swallow fact about this road is that many people believe this was a series of roads which lead to the sunken city, the Atlantis. The island of Bimini in the Bahamas forms part of a chain of islands off the eastern coast of Miami, putting it in a close vicinity to where several ancient scholars believe the lost civilization to be. The rocks are perfectly square cut and placed in straight lines, and we measured the height of these rocks. It is 13 feet in stature. Number 2. A dead giraffe. I don't think so. After all we have seen so far, finding a dead animal in the water is much terrifying. Many bizarre things have been found under the icy waters of New York City's harbor. In 1981, the city had reported many creepy objects had been reportedly found in the city's harbor. It came in the newspaper in the city that a dead body of giraffe has been found beneath, who had fallen into the harbor down from being shipped from the Bronx Zoo to Brooklyn's dock at the turn of the century. After surveying the depths of the New York harbor, the Army Corps of Engineers were terrified to find the bleached bones of the giraffe were half submerged in sand. Number 1. 87 World War II bombs. And that isn't an exaggeration. In an even more terrifying turn of events, though it was the Seven Seas themselves that brought the discovery of these weapons of mass destruction to light. Back in March of 2011, bomb disposal experts were frantically called to the beaches of Cowshot in Hampshire, England, after 87 unexploded World War II bombs washed ashore one morning. 87 mortars, each of them measuring anywhere between 4 and 20 inches, had been bizarrely coughed up by the coastal waters of the English Channel after failing to hit their target during several bombing campaigns of World War II and being lost to the ocean for more than 70 years. Strangely enough, it's believed that the moon was responsible for storming the beaches with an arsenal of deadly explosives. You see, following a rare combination of extremely low tides and high atmospheric pressure caused by a lunar cycle known as the super blood moon, in a rare and shocking sequence of events, these explosives were disturbed from the sunken resting place. Thankfully, no one was injured in this bizarre event, but you have to admit the moon being responsible for 87 unexploded bombs arriving on a beach is something straight out of opening of a horror movie. That is all we have for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to The Unleashed for daily spooky content. Also comment in below your views on those terrifying objects. Until next time, take care.